Welcome to episode 5 of Kyle's Garage. In this episode, we're going to go on a little adventure. Going to go on a ride along in the Forester down a real nice country road. Get to hear some nice cool exhaust notes from it and a little bit of me talking. But on that trip, we are on our way to a friend's house to film some mini bike racing. And I didn't get to bring my mini bike along because it's broken right now if you watch the update episode. But without further ado, let's jump straight into the video. Alright, so I guess this is going to be an attempt at doing kind of like a car vloggy thing. Working with a really crappy setup here though. I'm using a tripod on my seat precariously. I'll include a quick little clip of what it looks like. So I expect it to be kind of bouncy too, so anyway, let's go. Holding onto the tripod with one hand right now so we can get out of this parking lot without the tripod flipping over. Nice and easy out the parking lot. Yep, we scraped our mud flaps. All standard. I can't accelerate too quickly or the tripod will tip over. Hey, there's a guy. A guy on a motorcycle. He was doing filming too. He had a GoPro on his helmet. It's not even unusual anymore. People are just doing it. Apologize for these bumps. Cruising through my hometown right now, and there's this huge, like, it goes down this big highway in Michigan, and there's a garage sale on this thing, and it literally is this whole road, which is, it's gotta be hundreds of miles of garage sales. It's insane. And especially if you include like all the roads branching off of this highway that people are also doing yard sales on. It's actually kind of a cool spectacle to see. I'm just trying to get to my friend's house. I'm hopefully going to get some mini bike footage over there, or at least kind of, I just want to highlight some more mini bikes because it seems like everybody seems to like the mini bikes, so I want to kind of highlight some of his mini bikes because he's got real cool bikes, and he's kind of the one that turned me on to these mini bikes. They're a lot of fun. Alright, unfortunately I think the GoPro is going to be a little wiggly, but I'll let that car go. I just kind of wanted to take you guys down one of my more favorite roads. Now I had my mirror mount still, because I know that'd be a lot more steady than what's going on there. Looks pretty rough. Oh well. is the contraption we come up with because the footage was horribly unstable. But yeah, I think this is gonna work out a lot better. This time I get to ride the fast bike. About to get some good footage this time. Fairly certain. Hey, do you got that GPS? Should be awesome. Perfect. Oh yeah, this bike is quick. Oh yeah, dude, I can go faster than that. I'm gonna try to break 50. Oh baby! Woo! Gotta slow down. Got to slow down. I love this bike. 55! I hit 55. I can go faster. I'm just scared. No, we shouldn't. Right. That was awesome. Dude, 55. It was still picking up. No brakes. Brakes broke. I break everything. Oh no. I broke his brakes. I break everything of his. I need to quit riding Joe's stuff. I keep breaking it. That was frightening. Well, then what's going on? Dude, I'm sorry. I tend to break everything that you own. At this point, Joe is rethinking his friendship with me. Because I tend to break anything, really. There's an Instagram video of me breaking his bike, too, somewhere. Sorry, Joe. Alright, I hope you guys really enjoyed that video. That was the most fun filming I have had yet. And I hope that it shows in this video because it was a total blast. And no worries, Joe did get his mini bike fixed. I didn't totally break it, I just kind of incapacitated it for a short amount of time. So, you guys, take care, and I'll see you next time.